हेलो गाइज वेलकम टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल। यही क्लास रे आम डिस्कसन करिबा फिजिक्स रो प्रीवियस ईयर प्रीवियस ईयर न प्रीवियस क्लास रे आम जोटू छाड़िला सेथिरो स्टार्ट करिबा। एंड आ गोटे इनफॉरमेशन, प्लीज सब्सक्राइब टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल एंड लाइक शेयर आल्सो। फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन आज टॉपिक है थर्मोडायनामिक्स। फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन, द जनरल गैस इक्वेशन है PV इज इक्वल टू mRT। नेक्स्ट, सुपर हीटेड वेपर बिहेव्स अप्रोक्सीमेटली एज ए गैस। नेक्स्ट, एब्सोल्यूट जीरो प्रेशर इज occurs when molecular moment in zero. Next, kinetic theory of gas assume that the collision between molecules are perfectly elastic. Next, no liquid can be exist as liquid at zero pressure. Next, specific heat of air at constant pressure is equal to 0.24. Next, the behaviors of gas can be fully determined by fourth law. Next, the same volume of all gases would present their molecular weight. Next, gases have two value of specific heat. Next, property of substance like pressure, temperature and density in thermodynamics coordinates are point function. Next, mixture of ice and water form a heterogeneous system. Next, on weight basis air contain how many parts of oxygen? Right answer is 23. The relation between two specific heat Cp and Cv is Cp minus Cv is equal to R by J. Next, the volume of N is equal to 1 each polytropic process indicates it to be isothermal process. Next, the adiabatic equation of a perfect gas is PV gamma is equal to constant. Solid and liquid have one volume of specific heat. Next, change in enthalpy of a system is the heat supply at constant pressure. Next, a heat exchange process in which the product of pressure and volume remains constant is known as hyperbolic process. Next, in a certain amount of dry ice is mixed with the same amount of water at 80 degrees Celsius, the final temperature of mixture will be 0 degrees Celsius. 1 watt is equal to 1 Newton meter per second. Next, for which substance the gas law can be used with minimum errors? Right answer is superheated steam. Next, the value of the product of molecular weight and gas characteristics constants for all the gases MKS unit is 848 kg meter mole Kelvin. Next, strictly speaking, all engineering processes are irreversible. Next, if a gas vapor is allowed to expand through very minute aperture, then such a process is known as throttling. Next, minimum work in compressor is possible when the value of adiabatic index n each equal to 1. Next, second law of thermodynamics define enthalpy. Next, the SI unit of entropy is joule kg Kelvin, joule per kg Kelvin. Next, entropy changes depend on heat transfer. Next, changes of entropy depends upon changes of heat. Next, under ideal condition, isothermal, isobaric, isochoric and adiabatic process are quasi-static process. Next, total heat of substance is known as enthalpy. Carnot cycle has maximum efficiency for reversible engine. Next, Carnot cycle efficiency depends upon temperature range of operation. Next, if a heat engine attains 100% thermal efficiency, it violates second law of thermodynamics. In a cycle, the heat it rejects at constant pressure. Next, the unit of universal gas constant is arc per Kelvin. Calorie is a measure of quantity of heat. Next, barometric pressure is equal to 760 mm Hg Hertz. One barometric pressure or one atmospheric pressure is equal to 1.033 kgf per cm square. The first law of thermodynamics is the law of conservation of energy. Next, the constant volume cycle is also called Otto cycle. Next, air refrigeration works on the reverse Joule cycle. Next, Carnot cycle is a reversible cycle. Next, which cycle is used for aircraft refrigeration? Right answer is reverse Brayton cycle. Next, the concept of refrigeration is used in which cycle? Right answer is Stirling or Ericsson. Next, the constant pressure gas turbine works on the Brayton cycle. Next, all diesel cycle except slow speed engine use which cycle? Right answer is mixed dual. Cycle used in thermal power plant is Rankine cycle. Next, triple point temperature and pressure for water are 0.01 degree Celsius and 0.006028 ATA. Next, when a vapor condenses into a liquid, it evolves heat. All commercial liquid fuel are derived from crude oil. Next, specific fuel consumed defined as fuel consumed per hour BHP. आजिर क्वेश्चन आंसर सीरीज आम एथिके रखा एंड नेक्स्ट पार्ट रे आम बाकी सब डिस्कशन करवा एंड प्लीज सब्सक्राइब टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल, like, share and comment. Thank you so much and